I like how she I like how she rock it.
I'm gonna be trying box braids on myself for the first time. My sister might help me because she's usually the one who does that type of stuff, but I'm gonna be trying it on my hair for the first time. This is a little length check if you want to see just how long it is at the moment. It's been growing, luckily. My hair is permed, and yeah, just give me a little update on my hair. So I bought 3 packs, I think. Yeah, 3 packs of, I should have brought the packs down here, I wasn't thinking. So we're gonna go right into the video. I'm basically gonna show you a nice little time lapse of me attempting box braids, hopefully. If it's posted, then that means it turned out right. So let's get into it. So the products that I'll be using, or that I think I'll be using, is 3 packs of, hopefully I don't even learn, but 3 packs of the Hot Water Easy and Quick Braid, pre-cut, pre-feathered, pre-stretched, pre-leathered, layered, I said leathered, 1B, is this Canicolin? Hot water hair, I don't know. It looks like, oh, it's yaki, okay. Yaki, and I bought 3 of them, and they come with 3 pre-stretched bundles of the hair, or whatever you call it. And I got 3 packs of those. Eco Styling Gel. I'm not sure if I really need this tonight. Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. And a rectal comb. Lastly, a ponytail holder to, section the hair off.
China bitch.
So I messed up on my parting, but I did pretty good at the second row. So I think tomorrow I might go back in at the bottom row and try to fix my parting. So far this is how much I got done, and I went back and fixed the bottom row, and I had my sister come in and help me with some of the parts too last night, but then I went to sleep. So this is why you didn't get to see me do all this. I fell asleep, and I fell asleep when I did these two rows, and then I woke up and fixed the bottom row, and then my sister had did the second row for me, and then my dad helped me part. Like, it was a team effort, because like I said, I suck at parting, but I got a little better, because like that middle part, I did that, and my dad helped with like the side parts and stuff. But yeah, so far so good. I'm liking it. Like, I'm liking it. It looks legit to me. Now I'm just gonna start on the front. So far I've been like doing a box like this and just leaving the sides and the front out. And now I'm gonna start with my sides, like start sectioning stuff off and like doing the top part and everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and like section things off, and then I'm gonna show y'all like how I did it, and then I'll show y'all some like how I actually do in my braids, since I haven't filmed that yet. So stay tuned. Okay, so far this is what the parting looks like. So what I basically did is, you see these parts back here? I took the ends of them and brought them up. But if I felt like it was too big in the front, if I felt like I just didn't like the parting space in the front, I would like go like this, stop, and then like kind of make it curve the way I wanted to, so it's not completely curved, but it's also not completely boxed, and it goes like the way that I want it. And I just kept a straight middle part right there. And then, yeah, I'm just basically going to try to split all of them up in two. No, I'm not. Can I? 1, 2, 3. I might have to split them up in three, actually. I don't know yet. But what I want to do is split them up in two and just do what I did to the back. But the hair that I'm using, I've only, it has 3 big old packs in there. So I'm probably going to go into this one. I'm not sure yet because I still have hair left out of the last one. But I'm probably going to go into this one if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I did my edges. I actually went back over them with the I found a toothbrush and I went back over them and tried to put a scarf on them. I just did a little, just nothing big. I like baby hairs with box braids, like the little things. I'm trying to say. So, anyways, I'm gonna take this Lotta body. So, anyways, I'm gonna take this Lotta body and can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can. And I'm gonna just put about 5 pumps in my hand like this, not a lot, and just rub it on my, about 2 more pumps because I didn't. 3 more pumps, and just put them on my braids. Make sure to get like inside of there, and also like streak it through my hair, so it'll add like. I mean, people always wonder why people do it, and I'm pretty sure it's because it adds shine. Kind of locks it. Dang, it just feels like nothing's really. There we go. And then I'm just gonna rub it through here like this. Over here like that. With the braids. 1, 2, 3. So all together that was probably about like 15 pumps. I don't know. Anyways, rub it through like that. Be nice and neat. And yeah, y'all, this is the end result. Nothing crazy. I think I did pretty good for it to be my first time. With these styles, I haven't even seen the back of my head for real, but it's the wrong thing. With these styles, I learned that you have to take your time in order for it to, you know, come out right. You can really do any style. You just gotta sit there and actually watch all the tutorials and take your time, because if you just like go ham on your hair real quick, like it's not gonna look right. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use this Cantu shea butter oil sheen, and I'm just gonna shine the top popped off for some reason, so I'm just gonna like that get all of my roots and stuff, take some oil and try to get in between all my scalps and stuff. And yeah, and if you want, what I like to do sometimes is take it, spray it in my hand. It just makes it easier, especially if the thing is leaking like mine. It just makes it easier. Take it, rub it in my hands like this, and just stroke my braids or hair or whatever I'm doing. I like to stroke it like that. It gets in there more. And yeah, y'all, this is what they look like. I'm gonna try to do a video tomorrow so y'all can see, like, I don't know, me with some makeup on or something. I don't know.